Hi everyone, welcome to Just the Gearhead. In this episode, we're going to do the next coat of filler on the Ranchero. Alright, so like I said, in today's episode, we're going to start doing the next coat of filler. We're going to use Motormaster Lightweight Body Filler. This is basically Canadian Tire brand stuff. It's last time the other stuff we used, the first coat was Bondo brand. This is the Canadian Tire brand. I've used it in the past. It's pretty decent stuff. So we'll get mixing on that and put a coat of that on, and then go from there, I guess. So we got a coat of the filler all the way around. Looks like more than there is actually. I don't know, the camera always makes it look really thick, but it's actually not as thick as it looks, and I'll be sanding a whole whack load of it off. But there, everything's got a coat. We're going to take a little bit of a break, let this stuff set up, and then we'll probably come back. Alright, so it's actually been a couple of weeks since the last clip where I was putting on this filler. I had to get rid of the parts car that was sitting here so I could put this car here. If you guys don't know what's under here, maybe I'll put a link up here to the previous video. Go check that out. You guys can figure out what's under there. But yeah, so today we're going to be taking the sander, the orbital sander, knocking down all the really rough stuff, and then I might start blocking if we have time, see how the day goes. And there's a couple of spots that might be a little low still, so might end up having to put a little bit more filler on here. But I really want to get is all the filler sanded and get a coat of primer on this thing, because as they say, winter is coming. The leaves are all changing color already, and it's It's all gray and gloomy almost every day out here now. So before it snows, I want to make sure I got at least a primer, a couple coats of primer on this. And yeah, but anyways, we'll get to it. Just a quick reminder that if you want to enter to win the Milwaukee M12 Fuel speed ratchets, to go to the seat install video for the 77 Century. I'll put a link somewhere on the screen, probably up there, so you guys can go check that out. There's some low spots and some pinholes and stuff that I need to skim again. So I'm going to do that off camera, and I might even give those a quick run over with the orbital sander before I come back. But I think actually will be it for this video. I think I'll leave the block sanding and maybe priming to the next video with the Ranchero. But anyways, so that'll be it for today. Please comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you guys had commented, liked, and subscribed in the past, I thank you very much. If you guys want merchandise, please check out the link in the description to my Redbubble page. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time.